Hello, poets! This week we're learning how to write a 5W poem. And I've already got my page zoomed in here, but if you've forgotten how to do that, you go up to the top, click on View, then go to Zoom and select the percentage that you want to zoom in. And usually 100% is good. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to read the instructions. So a 5W poem tells a story by answering 5 questions that all begin with the letter W. The questions themselves do not appear in the poem, and the poem does not rhyme. At the top of your page, you have the pattern to follow, and then it also gives you a nice example. So we'll complete one together here, just so you can see what it could turn out like, and then you'll be able to start writing your own. So this first one needs to be about an animal, and all of them need to follow the proper pattern. So the first line needs to say who or what the poem is about. And because I need to write about an animal, I'm going to write about a hummingbird. So my first line is going to be busy hummingbird. And adding a descriptive word in there is nice rather than just saying the animal. What is the next line? So what is he, she, or it doing? And my hummingbird is going to be drinking sugar water. When is this action taking place? This is going to be as the sun sets. Where does it take place? This is going to be outside my kitchen window. And the last line, why does it take place? Well, this hummingbird needs to make sure that it is filled up. So I'm going to say filling up your belly until tomorrow. And then I would already have my first poem complete. And this poem reads, busy hummingbird, drinking sugar water as the sun sets, outside my kitchen window, filling up your belly until tomorrow. So there's many different options you could choose for this animal poem. You could go outside, look to see what animals you see outside your house, or even just choose a pet to write about. And oftentimes I like to observe what the animal's doing for a little bit, and it'll give you a few more ideas for what answers you could have to these questions. Once you've done your animal poem, you have 2 other ones to write, one about a person that you know, and then the instructions on this one aren't worded quite correctly, so you can just write about another person or another animal, because what it says here is write one more about a person, a group of people, or animals. So that sounds a little bit confusing, so just choose, like I said, a person or an animal to write about. If you're having fun with these poems and you'd like to do a couple more, you can toggle over to the second page. It is optional, like it says at the top, but you're more than welcome to write a few more poems if you'd like me to see a little bit more of your work.